Welcome, we're at SEMA 2022 at the Taruca USA booth, and I'm going to give you guys an update on their already perfect shower room. So let's get into it. So it's the same shower room that you guys seen in my review video a few months back, but there is some huge updates to it. With this privacy wall that goes into the arms, fully Velcroing roof, and the adjustable straps for any height of vehicle that you want to mount this thing on. So one of the biggest upgrades is the adjustable straps. It goes from 72 inches all the way up to 87 inches, and all four corners are adjustable for any height of vehicle that you want to mount this on, from a lifted truck all the way to like a Subaru or your car overland vehicle. It does have the Taruca branding on all three sides of the privacy wall, and with the privacy wall, it does channel into the A arms that come out, and they are still gas strut operated, so you should have zero worries in any wind or any other conditions. Getting out my phone light to show you guys, you still won't see any silhouettes through the wall if you're showering, changing, or using the restroom. And also, it still has the polyurethane coating on the walls and on the privacy wall also, so the drying will be extremely fast, so you could get back on the trail as quick as possible. All right, jumping inside the shower room now. I got the phone flashlight out just to show you the inside. It does have the mesh pocket still on both sides, along with the access door to your vehicle or your truck bed. So you should be able to access your vehicle no problem, along with the Velcro loop in the corner for your shower outlet or shower head, along with a Velcro loop up top here, so you can put on your shower head or anything if you have a roof mounted shower. And it's still down here has the floor drain, so you'll easily be able to drain your shower and it won't pull up on you or get mud inside while you're showering. And that right there is a few quick updates on the Taruca USA Shower Room. In my opinion, it's still the best shower room on the market, and they just improved on the perfection that they already had. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.